Today I'm gonna teach you how to create your Google account or your Gmail account. Let's jump to the intro. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to create your Gmail account or your Google account. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get my phone. First thing is we're gonna jump to the settings and we're gonna look for user and accounts. In my case it's user and accounts, but for the other phones I think Samsung has only account. I'm not sure, but in my case I'm in Huawei, it is user and account. So, and after that we're gonna go to add an account and let's click Google because we're making a Google account. Check in info, and in the bottom there's a button that says create an account, so that's the button that will create an account, so you basically just click it. And for myself, and first name and last name, Black first name and Shark in the bottom. There you go. Enter your basic information, your birthday and gender. So in my case this is not my birthday, but I'm just gonna enter January 1, 1999. Let's try that. And male. And let's go to the username. So in my case I'm just gonna make this like this. Let's see if that works. No, it doesn't work, but Gmail has a suggestion, so you can click it if you want to use it. But in my case I want to make my own Gmail account, Gmail address account. So I'm just gonna input BLCK and SHRK for that, and 1, 2, 3. And there you go, it works. So basically we just need to enter a password. Skip. So that's it, you have your new Gmail account. I hope you guys like my video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.